A while ago I showed off a pong that ran on RC2014 with paddle input and graphic output. I've been working on this adaptation that has terminal output. Even though serial output to the terminal is way slower than writing to the TMS chip, there isn't too much to do. The ball and paddles move a character at a time rather than at pixel resolution, and moving the ball and bats only involves sending a few characters to move the cursor, erase the old parts and print the new ones. To make this usable on any terminal, there are a few questions at the start that allow you to configure the game for any sensible number of rows and columns, and a few options for which characters you want to use. Some of these will depend on which character set your terminal uses, whether it supports extended ASCII or the high bit meaning reversed. There's even a plain ASCII. So far I've incorporated some of the games from the TV game that I grew up with. The classic tennis, football which has 2 bats per player and smaller goals, and squash, as well as single-player squash. Also, like the TV game that we had, there are options for regular or small bats and slow and fast speeds. There's optional colour matching the colour TV games that the posh kids had at the time. It uses the standard AY sound module for the beeps. This is a game that should be played with paddles, and I've actually been working on this to accompany the dual paddle interface which Spencer now supplies through Z80 Kits.